Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall Skiller. Now, the first thing I'm going to point out before I tell you what I have to tell you is that you have to be careful of how you meet persons online, because sometimes the persons that you're talking to online is not who or what or how they claims to be or act when you meet them at the time they are trying to get you to meet them. Now, a man was chopped to death in Bogue Village, Montego Bay, St. James as a result of online dating went bad. A young man, which is a security guard, said to be of the age of 23 years old, he said that he has been talking to a mysterious female online for several weeks now. However, he decided to get things a little more interesting or heated up when he invited this lady to a house that is at Bogue Village in Montego Bay. That house that he invited the female to was actually his friend's house, but his friend was not at the house at the time he decided to invite this mysterious female that he was talking to online. However, he was there waiting for this female when someone did arrive, but it didn't turn out to be the female that he thought, but it was a 38-year-old man. An argument developed between both these men while they were inside the house, where a machete somehow got into play, and this 23-year-old young man that is said to be a security guard inflicted wounds all over that 38-year-old man and chopped him to death. Alright, so again I say be careful of how you meet persons online, because you see this is one result that went very badly. Alright, now here I'm going to tell you something else now of a doctor that is in the corporate area that is selling sick leaves. Right now, it has been reported that this person that is in the corporate area sells sick leaves to persons for only $500. This doctor office was visited by a popular newspaper company that is in Jamaica, where they went into the office and they went into the customer care part, right, where they saw a board or a sign, I should say, stating out the prices, and it also says that he, which is the doctor's office, does not take insurance for a charge. You know, you can't use the insurance to pay for this kind of service. You have to pay for it by cash. All right, so this is the kind of service that has been said that this doctor has been offering for $500 per person. All right, well, you don't know the thing already. I only keep you up to date and post it and make you hear what I go on. As I say, I won't go up so I can keep you know a little bit enlightened with certain things that has been going on in and around Jamaica and the world, you know. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skiller. Wanna big up on yourself. You see.